To transfer music from your phone into the Galaxy Watch 8, start by opening Galaxy Wearable application on your phone and go to the watch settings. In the next step, you will have to scroll down and go for Manage Content, select Tracks on Watch and click on the plus. So now, as you can see, you can find all of your tracks that you have on your phone by albums, artists or tracks, and you can simply select everything that you want to add to the watch and click in the right upper corner. Now, as you can see, it's reconnecting. We get this information that it couldn't add tracks to watch. So we can try to do this one more time. And it's not working. So let's check what is wrong. As you can see, we have to accept this permission. So click here. We have to go to the view permissions on our watch and we have to click allow for sending all of the music and other files. So let's try again. And now, as you can see, everything is fine. We have to just wait until it hits 100%, so we don't have any more this retry issue. Thanks for watching.